A retractable banner stand is a spring-loaded base with a banner installed inside. The banner can be pulled directly up from inside the base when you wish to display the artwork. These stands are a great option for advertising your company or service at a trade show or other event. They are very lightweight and travel very easily. The Retractor Lites are our most popular retractor product, and we offer these retractors in a few different sizes. The stand is the same, just the width can vary from 24 inches up to 47 inches wide. In this video, we are featuring the Retractor Lite 24. We offer 3 different options of materials that can be installed in these stands. Our 13-ounce scrim vinyl, 14-ounce no-curl vinyl, or banner soft fabric material. The most common material that is used in these stands is the 13-ounce scrim vinyl. When our customers receive the stands, the banner will already be installed and ready to go. The stands come in a soft carrying case that all parts can be stored in for easy travel. To set up the retractor stand, you first want to grab the pole out of the carrying case and put it together. It is similar to a tent pole, where it is in sections that unfold and link together.
Then, note where your pole will be placed in the base, and then turn out the legs on the bottom to keep your banner stable.
Next, you grab the black flat piece and pull up to extend the banner out of the stand. The pole can then be hooked on top of the banner and push up to fully extend the banner out of the retractor, and then the pole can be set in the bottom of the base. To retract the banner back in the stand, all you have to do is unhook the pole from the top of the banner and slowly let the banner retract into the base. Another great feature of these stands is that you can swap out the banners if a customer's advertisement changes or if they need a different design for a new trade show.
Thanks for joining us for this tutorial on how to set up your banner stand.